Today's tech tip, how to search for good things on Facebook. Hello, my name's Chet Davis, your technology tutor. Today I want to show you how to search for good things on Facebook. In yesterday's episode of Reflections, I shared how what you search for in Facebook, how what you click on, how what you like, how what you comment on, and certainly how much you share is brought to you. You see more and more of that. And sometimes we want to search for things maybe that's not showing up in our feed. So here's how you can do that. Go ahead and go into Facebook, and in the top left corner, right next to the F, the Facebook logo, you see this search tool. And maybe you're searching for something like you're a technology tutor. Look what comes up, Chet Davis Tech Tutor. There we go. So it's going to show you pages that are similar to what you're searching for. And if you don't like it, you can like it here. So I can go ahead and click, yeah, let's go to Chet Davis Tech Tutor. But I already like that page, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go back and say, okay, show me more. So click See All, and that's all there is related to that. But maybe you want to look in general about technology. Show me all the pages relative to technology. So you can see there's a bunch that I don't like. Now, if I think I like this, I can click like right here, or what I would choose to do is click on the page itself. So we go into technology. I would learn more about it and see if it's something I'm interested, and then I could go ahead and click like that page or follow that page, okay? So that's how I could do that. But maybe you want to search for something relative to an interest area of you. For example, I like to cook, believe it or not, in addition to using technology. So I'm going to click Italian recipes. And I've misspelled Italian, but the system does it for me. And so there's a number of pages. So there's pages, and as I scroll down, there's also groups related to Italian recipes. And as I scroll down, there's videos, single posts, and then there's links that people have shared. And then it also shows posts from friends. So what's nice is it helps you filter out Facebook from posts from your Facebook friends related to that topic that you're searching. So this is a great way for you to create your own Facebook feed that's based on your interests and not the interests that the Facebook algorithm is trying to figure out. And remember, the more you like, the more you comment, and the more you share posts, the more of those type of posts you're going to see inside of your Facebook feed. Chet Davis, your technology tutor. Thanks for joining me for this quick tech tip.